Hello students, this is Miss Diane, and today I'm going to be going over the State Board Chemical Relaxer Virgin application for the barbers. The instructions have already been read. I'm sorry you can't see my setup, but I do have that in another video. You can go ahead and look that up, all right? So, the instructions have been read to me. I'm going to go ahead and sanitize my hands. The relaxer is going to be in one of the back quadrants. So I have one of the back quadrants here. All right. But let me go ahead and sanitize my hands. I'm going to also go ahead and put the protective cream on right now before I forget. Now you could go ahead if you want and put your gloves on right now if you think you're going to forget. Either way, you can put your gloves on, then do your protective cream, or you can go ahead and do your protective cream right now. Either way is fine. You don't need gloves for the protective cream. So I am going to go all the way around. My client's hairline. Even though I'm just doing the back quadrants, I was taught to do this, so I'm going to go ahead and do all the way around. So again, all the way around the whole hairline. I do not need my spatula anymore. It's going to go in the trash. I'm going to go ahead and use the towel, get the remainder of the protective cream off my fingers, so that it's going to make it easier for me to put my gloves on. Okay, since I already did my PD test, strand test, I can go ahead and open this relaxer because I'm going to use it now, and I'm not going to use it for anything else after that. So I'm going to go ahead and take my hair clip off. I can go ahead and throw this in my items to be disinfected container. I'm going to go ahead and get all the tangles out here of my hair. I can go ahead and throw this in my items to be disinfected also. So it says that I'm going to do all three of the steps, but I'm going to do one at a time. So I'm going to go ahead and get some product a ½ inch away from the scalp to the ends not to exceed more than 1 inch. All right, so I need to put some on the bottom here. You want to be able to see it from both sides. Okay, I'm taking nice thin sections, ½ inch away from the scalp, and leaving 1 inch out. Okay, so I'm going to do that through this whole section. ½ inch. You want to have enough product on so that you can see it on both sides. I'm leaving that 1 inch. I'm working pretty fast here. Okay, don't take more because you're taking thicker pieces, all right? You want to be able to see through that. You want to keep it fairly neat. If by chance you get it on a different section, you can take a minute, get a paper towel, and wipe it off. Okay, so I got a little bit on the side here, so I can go ahead and wipe that off. And if I wanted to, I could put a piece of paper here on the side. You're not going to get points for it, or you're not going to get points taken from you if you don't do it. Okay, so you're going to make sure you take thin sections here, ½ inch away from the scalp to 1 inch from the ends. Okay, I'm going to get this whole section done, and then we'll go to step 2. Okay, I'm going to continue on. Half an inch away. Do not watch what anybody else is doing. Do it the way you were taught. Okay, don't second guess yourself. That's where you start making mistakes, right? Trust in what you've learned and do that. Alright, so we're getting there. Now you see that the hair is staying where we left it there. So the second application, we're going to go from the bottom to the top. A lot of my product is coming through to the other side, so I know that I'm taking a thin enough section. Okay, do this just like we do every time we do a mock board, right? Now is not the time to try a new technique. Okay, you want to practice that at school when we do our mock boards. Okay, almost done. They're giving you plenty of product. You can take a minute if you would like to adjust the head down. All right. The stand I have right now doesn't let me do that as well. So I'm not going to be moving it around. But the one that I would take to state board, yes, it's going to be a little more adjustable. Okay, so I'm down to my last few sections here. You're seeing that hair stain. I think I'm going to take this in 2. There we go. My last piece here, half an inch away from the scalp to an inch at the ends. There we go. All right, that's my first step. All right, then next, it says that we're going to go back and we're going to apply the product close to the scalp, it's not really on the scalp, and we're going to smooth through the ends, all right, smooth through the ends. So I'm going to go back, apply it close to the scalp, and I'm going to smooth it through the ends. Okay, one hand is doing this, the other hand is holding the brush. Don't mix them, you're going to make a mess. So I'm going to close to the scalp, and then I'm smoothing. So my right hand has the brush, my left hand is going to do the smoothing. Okay, and so we're going to take it down. I think I have 2 sections there. This product is pretty sticky, so it's going to hold the hair there for you. All right, so I'm going to get some product there to the root area, and then I'm going to smooth it through to the ends. Okay, taking small sections, applying the product, smoothing it through the ends, applying the product, smoothing it through the ends. If you have enough product on there, it's going to go all the way to the ends. Okay, if you need to get more product, go ahead and get more product. Smooth it through the ends. Okay. And smooth it through the ends. A light smoothing. You are not pressing really hard, removing all that product. No, it's a light smoothing. Okay, you get too much product, put it back on. Remember, this is sodium hydroxide relaxer. It's a very strong product we're simulating, right? So go ahead, smooth it. You see this part is going pretty fast. Smooth it through. It and smooth. Next section. Apply it to the scalp area. Smooth it through. Okay, I'm going to apply it, scalp area, and smooth it through. If you don't have enough product, then you can go ahead and put more product. So, for instance, I'm doing this root area. I try to bring it through and I don't have enough product. For the ends, I can go ahead and put some more product in, and then I can gently smooth it through. The paper towel, I can go ahead and throw that away before it falls, causing me other problems, right? So I'm going to go ahead, take a small section here, apply to the root area, smooth it. Apply to the root area and smooth it. All right, now I can go ahead, I'm done with that. I can go ahead and throw my brush. Items to be disinfected. I can close this container. I can go ahead and put that in my items to be disinfected. I'm going to go ahead and wipe that off, but I got a lot of cholesterol on that. But I can go ahead and put this in my items to be disinfected. Throw the towel, the paper towel, throw my gloves in the trash, sanitize my hands, and then I can step back and wait for further instructions.